Good evening all. Welcome to Swayam Shiksha. My name is Uday. I'm a graduate of IIT Madras and I'm a core history faculty here at Swayam Shiksha. In this program, we will be conducting a series of workshops on answer writing for the mains on my subject, history. Let me tell you all that we have been conducting such a program since last few years and we have come out with tremendous success as reflected in the ranks. To name a few, in the very last year we've got 76, 75, 76, 98, 117 and several more. And what's the reason for the success of this program? Is that we understand the mind of the examiner and also the evolving demands of the examination. As the level of competition is increasing day by day, even the UPSC is raising the standards or the bars of the examination. Fine. And through our accumulated experience, we have been analyzing these evolving trends and bring them at your service. And the point here is, if you try to see the examination process not only from a student's point of view, try to see it from an examiner's point of view. Then you will appreciate what is going on in the mind of the examiner and what he wants from you all. Okay. And the point here is, the UPSC understands that all the students throughout India are reading the same books, they are having the same coaching institutes. The point is, the UPSC always tries to think how to trick these people, how to trap you, how to confuse, shock and surprise you in the examination hall. And please remember, it's all a mind game in the examination. In those 3 hours, you need to show your performance of years of study. Fine. So the entire process that our focus in this course will be to train you to handle that pressure in the examination, to expose you to so many new ways of understanding the same concept from different dimensions, linking one concept with unexpectedly different concepts, linking concepts with the current happenings. By exposing you to all such new dimensions, when you go to the examination, compared to other students, you will find the questions to be less surprising and shocking because you have been used to these kind of shocks and surprises in the course that we undertake here, so that eventually you will gain an advantage over the others. And we also ensure that I will personally look into your answer sheets and identify areas for improvement. And apart from the general guidance that you will all get through the videos, each of you will get a personal level inputs with respect to those specific areas of improvement. Fine. With this, let me tell you all that I really look forward to meeting you people in the coming course. Thank you. Bye.